Did you know that hearing aids help keep your brain fit? A recent groundbreaking study has linked untreated hearing loss to cognitive decline. Professor Ellen Amieva visited the Ericsholm Research Center to share her findings from the 25-year study looking at the effects of untreated hearing loss.
Hearing impairment is associated with accelerated cognitive decline. That's a result which was actually suspected. The second finding, which was very important, is that it's only people with hearing impairment but not using hearing aids that experience such accelerated cognitive decline. And that's a novel result.
Hearing loss can affect our mental health, and hearing problems are very common as we get older. But now it's been shown that of all the things we can't do anything about, our hearing is something we can and definitely should do something about.
Hearing impairment in elderly people entails social isolation. We know that these people generally are more depressed, have less social and leisure activities. So hearing aids, by restoring communication abilities, probably acts against such cognitive decline.
Over 20 years ago, Oticon acknowledged the role our brain plays when dealing with hearing problems. We hear with our brain, not our ears. This brain-hearing strategy has led to innovative technologies for hearing aids that support the way our brain makes sense of sound.
Hearing impairment has a huge influence on the way our brain functions. We do not have to give up and consider that this is a matter of fact and it's unavoidable. Because now we know that hearing impairment is associated with greater cognitive decline, we have to care.
With well-fitted hearing aids, we can avoid not only many of the direct negative consequences of having trouble hearing, but also work against the negative influences on our mental health. Hearing aids help keep our brains fit.
It's never too late to act against hearing impairment, to intervene, but I would say the sooner you treat hearing impairment, the better for your cognition.
So, if you notice that you don't hear as well as you used to, do yourself a favor. Don't ignore it. Keep your brain fit.